Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss about the next practical, that is isolation of cellulolytic microbes from or for agro waste management. The material which is required for that, the soil samples, test tube, incubator, petri plates, cellulose, pipette. The ingredient of cellulose Congo red agar medium, or the composition of that Congo red agar medium which is required for the growth of cellulolytic microbes. Okay, so that is peptone 10 gram, H2PO4 0.5 gram, MgSO4 magnesium sulfate 0.25 gram, CMC powder 1.88 gram, Congo red 0.2 gram, agar 5 gram, and gelatin 2 gram. Then next, regarding procedure, suspend or we take the 10 gram of soil sample from the rhizospheric region and dispense into 90 ml of sterile water. Then prepare cereal dilution by transferring 1 ml of suspension to 9 ml of sterile blanks. That means take a 1 ml of solution or take a 1 ml of solution with the help of petri dish and transfer into the second take a 1 ml of suspension from the first test tube, that is 10 to the minus 1, and transfer into the second test tube, that is which containing 9 ml of water. So total will be a 10 ml, so this will be gives 10 to the minus 2 dilution. Again we transfer 1 ml suspension from the 10 to the minus 2 dilution into the third test tube, which already containing 9 ml of water. So by adding 1 ml, so this will be gives 10 to the minus 3 dilution. Then again from 10 to the minus 3 dilution we take the 1 ml of suspension and add into the fourth test tube, which already containing 9 ml of water. So this will be gives 10 to the minus 4 dilution. So in that way we have to carried out the serial dilution technique up to 10 to the minus 5 for the isolation of cellulolytic bacteria. Then we take the or add this suspension in petri plates. Okay, that means add the dilution, or just we have to take the 1 ml suspension from 10 to the minus 1 dilution and 1 ml suspension from 10 to the minus 5 dilution, and add into that suspension into the petri dish which is filled with the Congo red agar medium. Okay, that means we have to take petri dish which containing Congo red agar medium. In that petri dish or on that media we add the 1 ml dilution from the 10 to the minus 4 and 10 to the minus 5. Okay, so we have to add on that medium, and that petri dish is directly incubated for the incubation at 28 plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius for 1 week or for 5 to 7 days. Then after 5 to 7 days, the colony is exhibiting the zone of clearing, that is the whitish zone is observed on the media, and just we have to count the cellulolytic microorganism, then purify that isolates. That means from that petri dish we have to do the purification process, and separately that microorganism is multiply on the test tube or slant. Then regarding observation, just we have to count the colonies of cellulolytic bacteria by counting the colonies with the help of colony counter meter. So observation takes place on the basis of their size and shape of that the cellulolytic microorganism or bacteria. For example, the Cellulomonas, that bacteria is a cellulolytic bacteria. So on the basis of morphology we can conclude that which is the cellulolytic microorganism or bacteria. So this is regarding the procedure, that is in procedure we do the serial dilution technique simply. So this is about the technique of the isolation of cellulolytic microorganism So if you have any queries regarding that isolation process, so you can ask me. Thank you.